Mike with toughreality.com. This is the Breville BOV800XL smart oven with convection toaster. It's a great product. Had a lot of great reviews, a lot of great options on it, and so that's why we went ahead and put it up and recommended it on our Skidoo operation there, and very exciting to look at. If you want to check us out at toughreality.com, you can do that, or email me at mike@toughreality.com. We have a wonderful radio show that we talk about truth and different products and different things like that. So anyway, hope you enjoy it. If you have any comments, put them below, and we will talk to you later.